Hey y'all, every day this week we shopping with no money. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, love. What y'all know about that? Look at this. Free groceries, y'all. Free groceries, y'all. Harvest Fresh. Now this is what you really call from garden to table. Yes, y'all see them fresh herbs, honey. Look at that Swiss chard, baby. Look at that lettuce, my dear. Fresh from the garden. Container garden. Off the chain, y'all. Y'all can't beat that. Y'all can't beat that with a stick. Go on, grow you some veggies, girl. Go on, put some produce in them pots, my dear. Fresh, harvest straight from the garden to the table. We eating good over here, y'all. Look at that. Look at them banana peppers. That lemon balm. That kale. Come on, somebody. Basil. Come on, somebody. Look at that. A basket of goodness every day. Fresh from the garden to the table.